friends, welcome to Tassel Tuesday. I have a little bit of a fun thing planned for Tassel Tuesday. Not to be taken seriously, just so you know, but a few of you have dubbed me the Tassel Queen. And so I thought in today's video we would do something with that in mind. I'm combining that with my birthday, and so, which actually is on the 27th. So by the time you see this on Tuesday, I will have already had my birthday on Sunday. But this thing we're gonna make today is probably something I'll wear on my birthday. So, at any rate, I wanted to thank you for being here with me, and let's get started on today's project. Which we are going to start with some of this tiny ribbon. We're going to use some of the blue and some of the pink. We won't be using the green today. And I think I need, let's just do 3 small tassels. So I don't know if I should make them, you know what I'll do? I was thinking I would make like 1 blue and 2 pink, but I think what I'll do is combine them in the same tassel. I think that'll look really cute. So let's work on that. I'm gonna cut all of this and we'll see how much that gives us. These are going to be small tassels, so I'm just cutting the ribbon to the size that I think I want them to be. I know for sure I'll have to trim them because they have to fit onto something. So I have these cut. These are going to be really small tassels, so I may not need more than this. I think that'll be perfect, but I can always add a little something like to the underneath part if I need to fluff them up a little bit. I'm saving these 2 for, you know how we make we tie the hangy part and then the center part. On these, I'm not sure if I'll have a hangy part. I have to decide once I get a little bit further into this project. So if we're gonna make 3 tassels, let's separate these out. Each tassel so far is going to have 6 strands, and then if I take and fold them in half, we'll see if they're fluffy enough. Actually, I think they will be for what I'm doing, so I think that's going to be good. All right, so one at a time, let's line them up so that they're nice and even. No, it's not very fluffy. I think we're gonna fluff it up a little. We're gonna fluff it up with just a little bit of yarn. We won't need too much because this yarn is pretty fluffy. All right, let's do 3 strands, and let's just say that we're happy with 3 strands. Let's do that. Let's leave it at that and not worry about it. Like, it's gonna be what it's gonna be. And then I think once everything's put together, it should be fine. Yeah, that's really gonna fluff it up more than enough. That'll be plenty. And before I double knot it, I'm gonna check it. Yeah, I felt like this side was a little shorter. I'm gonna scoot this down a little bit. There we go. Now let's check it. Yep, that's much better. All right, so now we'll double knot it. Now we are gonna go ahead and make the puff top part. So I'm gonna leave these untied because we're not sure what we're doing with those. And now these are real small, so they're kind of fiddly, as my friend Carol says. But we're gonna try to place them kind of where we want them, if you will. I'm just gonna start by doing that. I'll tie them and then I'll see if I can move them around. I'll start off by tying it once. I won't double knot it till I feel somewhat happy with where everything is. I should be able to manipulate these a little bit and, you know, kind of spread them out. Okay, got that side pretty good. Now let's do the same over here. Not sure if it helped or not, but it is what it is. So we're going to go ahead and double knot. You know, this is just going to be for fun, and so we are not going to worry about it. Now I'll trim that in a little while, but I'm going to go ahead and create these two, but I won't have you watch me do the beginning part because it could get a little boring. All right, here they are before I trim them, and I'm not going to trim them yet because we're going to put them on our crown. So I got to measure them. As a matter of fact, I think, let's see, we'll do this as the center one. So let's tie it on first. And I'm going to do the double knot here in the back so it doesn't show. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and triple knot it. All right, I am going to do that with the other two. Now I'm just going to trim off the end pieces that are kind of hiding, you know, like in the back there, but I don't want them to stick out. You can kind of, if you look, you can kind of see them sticking out. So we're just going to clean that up real quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and trim the bottom of the tassels so that they are not hanging below the bottom of the crown. Oh, and before I show you how the tassel crown looks on me, I want to show you this cute box that I found at Joann Fabrics on clearance. It has tassels in it, so I had to go ahead and get it. Well, friends, here we are. Well, friends, I hope you love my Queen of Tassels crown. Carol of Carol's Recrafted Boutique, I believe, is the first one that called me the Tassel Queen. So Carol, I made this in honor of you and our friendship. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.